Alright, I've had this question many times. How do I create a custom background in Enscape, also known as the Enscape Skybox?
The first thing we need to understand is what exactly a skybox is. A skybox is like a box or a dome that surrounds your model geometry. This dome has images of your site surroundings pasted onto the inside. This is used to give atmospheric as well as contextual backdrop to your projects. A skybox can either be a six-sided texture, the cross style, or it can be a simple 360 panorama. Many games have it as a tessellated sphere, which basically reflects the idea of the dome as well. A skybox can give your project a natural feel of the site and how the spatial experience might look like.
To learn how to add a skybox image to your Enscape project, go back to lesson 5 of this course. In this lesson, however, I'm going to show you 3 ways how to create a custom skybox.
First, go to your project site. Create a 360 panorama from the exact site. The best panoramas are those which work from inside out. Means if I am standing anywhere on my project site in Enscape, I should be able to see everything out of my building, from the windows, doors, and any other apertures. So take your phone, your DSLR, and fly your drone, and capture that panorama on site to have the exact digital twin of your site inside Enscape. This is my preferred method. A little tip would be to be choosy about the time of day, as the brightest point, or the sun position, will be reflected in your background. Second, use the Google Street View to create panoramas. This is actual imagery as well, captured by somebody else for you to use for free, which is awesome. The only catch here is that you can only use this method if there is a street view available for your project site. Once you find the street view, download and install SVD 360, where SVD literally means Street View Download. Once you have installed this, copy the URL of your street view and paste it into this program. It is a very simple interface. Once you paste it, define a path to save it. I normally dedicate a new folder to it. Define the resolution. This could affect your performance, so be sure what size suits you. Then click Download Panorama. It is going to download that street view as a panorama on your machine. All you need to do now is to use it as a skybox in Enscape. Third, find free skyboxes online. There are tons of resources. I can highlight a few for you, but trust me, from HDRIs to cross styles, you can find just about anything. Go to humus.name and click on Textures. Here you will find the cross-style skyboxes. Go to HDRI Skies. Here you will find panorama-style skyboxes. For more info on where to find free stuff, check out my upcoming playlist on free resources. See you in the next video!